At number 2, we have the Aqueon Aquarium. This is our runner-up pick and stands out for its all-in-one design, combining essential components for a healthy aquatic environment. The glass construction provides durability with reinforced silicone seams, though some minor cosmetic glue lines may be visible. Its Quiet Flow LED Pro filter operates efficiently with adjustable flow, reducing noise while maintaining water clarity through replaceable cartridges. The preset 50-watt heater quickly stabilizes temperatures, crucial for tropical species, and an external thermometer strip simplifies monitoring. Full-spectrum LED lighting enhances fish colors and supports plant growth without promoting excessive algae. The integrated hood minimizes evaporation and includes a feeding door for convenience. Maintenance is streamlined with modular components, and the inclusion of water conditioner and fish food samples simplifies initial setup. This kit's balanced ecosystem support and user-friendly features make it a reliable choice for both novice and experienced aquarists seeking a low-maintenance habitat.